Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on applying the same style to all blocks in WordPress in just a few minutes. We will begin by navigating to the WordPress website. When you open your internet browser, type in the WordPress address and press enter to access the site. This initial step is essential as it establishes your workspace where all subsequent actions will take place. Once the WordPress homepage loads, focus on the top right corner of the screen. There you will notice the login option. Clicking on this login button will prompt you to sign in. WordPress uses this login area as the gateway to your personalized experience, so it is important to complete this step correctly. After clicking login, you will see several sign-in options available for your convenience. To proceed with signing in, look for the option that says Continue with Google. This option simplifies the process, especially if you are already signed into your Google account in your browser. By clicking Continue with Google, you'll be asked to select your preferred account from a list of available accounts linked to Google. Choose the account you usually use for your WordPress work. This method ensures a swift and secure login process without the need to remember a separate username and password dedicated solely to WordPress. After you are successfully logged into your WordPress account, your next destination is the Quick Links section. Here you will find the Edit Site option. It is important that you click on Edit Site as this will take you directly into the site editing environment. Once in the editor, the layout of your website and the available blocks that make up your pages will appear on the screen, setting you up for the next series of adjustments. Within the editor, locate your block by clicking directly on it. This specific step is important because it allows you to access the settings related to that particular content block. Once you have clicked on your block, you will see various options and panels become available. You will then move your attention to the right-hand side of the interface, where additional customization options have been grouped together. Next, you want to focus on the block tab that appears on the right-hand panel. Clicking on this tab will expose various block-specific settings, allowing you to adjust the look and feel of the block to your liking. By accessing these settings, you gain finer control over the design elements applied to the block. Towards the bottom of this panel, you will find an option called Advanced. Clicking on Advanced reveals more detailed settings for your block. In many cases, these advanced controls provide additional customizations beyond the basic appearance, which can be very useful if you want to fine-tune the style. Within the Advanced section, search for the area labeled Styles. When you navigate to Styles, you are accessing a set of design tools that control the visual consistency of your blocks. This is the section where you can ensure that every block on your website adheres to the same styling guidelines. Finally, complete the process by clicking on Apply Globally. Selecting this option will change the styling of all blocks at once, ensuring that the look and feel remain consistent across every part of your website. This final action is a great way to maintain a unified design, saving you time and ensuring that your website appears professional and cohesive. By following these steps, you have successfully applied a uniform style to all blocks in your WordPress site. Each action, from logging in to applying the global style, contributes to a smooth and efficient editing experience. Enjoy the benefits of a consistent design across your web pages, and continue to explore more customization options that WordPress offers.